Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So guys, for today's video, we are unboxing this soundbar. It is gigantic, it is professional, and I can't wait to test the performance because I'm working on building a full entertainment system. So we need a soundbar that's going to be able to perform as good as our needs. So let's get unboxing, let's see what this looks like and test it out. Alright guys, so you get a manual. You get optical cable, you get the power cable, you got audio and video to AUX cable, you have AUX to AUX cable, you have a remote control. So this is the remote control. Screws for mounting this. So this is the speaker itself. Looks like you got one speaker on the top, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. This one is a smaller, so that's probably the treb. This is probably bass. There might be more speakers in it. Sometimes they have hidden ones. So on the side, you have buttons for controlling it as well. Yeah, so on the back, here you can mount it. You got your brackets on the back. Over here, you have all your different ports and connections. So we're gonna test this out for you guys right now. We're gonna see the quality. What I like doing is testing it out with my phone first, because you do not want to set this up if there is an issue. So some sound bars have big problems with static. So we need to see if this bar is gonna be good enough before we actually take the time to really fully set it up. All right, so once we connect it in, there's a little blue light on here. If you guys can see in that corner there, there's a blue light letting us know it's got power. So let's go ahead and get our device ready. Let's try the buttons here. All right, so it does have Bluetooth as well, and it's entering Bluetooth mode. So we're gonna go ahead and see how easy it is to connect it right here, right now. All you do is go under your Bluetooth settings, pair new device. Let's see if it finds it right away. There it is, Wohome. We're gonna connect. So there's two different Wohomes that came up, so we might have connected to the wrong one. It's out at 32. We're gonna listen to see if there's any static. All right, guys, there's no static within the speaker itself, so that's good. That means the speakers are at least wired right. Some of these sound bars have static and horrible sounds that come from the speakers when you're not using them. All right, guys, I do want to point out there are speakers in the front here as well. So on the front and on the top. We're going to aim this towards you guys so you can get the full brunt of it.
To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion. Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop it raw. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, though. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
So play and pause works perfectly great with this. The bass is very good. The treb is very good. You got tons of settings. You can skip songs. You can go to the next. Overall, guys, I'm very impressed. This is going to work great for what we want to use it with. It is a very, very well built speaker. I'm impressed. Now let's go ahead and try this. So normally when you connect a device with Bluetooth and you power it off. So we're going to power it off here. All right, so it auto-connected. So we powered it off, and then we turned it back on, and it auto-connected, so that's good. It's got the auto-connection with Bluetooth. Overall, guys, it takes 2 AA batteries for the remote. Yeah, I'm impressed. I like it. It gets a Scott pass.